Ever wonder if that tiny clove hiding in your spice cabinet could be your secret health hero? Today, we're diving into the magical world of cloves. Hi, today, we're going to learn how cloves aren't just a cooking spice. They're a super spice for your health, your home, and even your history. Let's get clove crazy. But anyway, we are not doctors just for educational purposes. Originating from the lush tropical trees of Indonesia, cloves have traveled through time and continents, adding flavor and benefits where they go. Notice the tiny bud-like structure? That's not just cute. It's packed with powerful compounds that do wonders for your body. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Think of them as tiny bodyguards fighting off the bad guys. Free radicals. Feeling a little under the weather or need a digestive boost? Brew some clove tea. It's as simple as boiling water, adding a few cloves, and a dash of honey. Instant. And did you know cloves are a dentist's best friend? They have natural numbing properties that can ease toothache pain. Just a clove oil dab, and voila! Relief. Comfort. Whether it's mulled wine in winter or your secret ingredient in a savory curry, cloves bring warmth and depth to your favorite recipes. And it's not just for cooking. Clove oil can freshen up your breath, relieve headaches, and even act as an antiseptic for men. Cloves have been treasured for centuries. From ancient Chinese medicine to medieval European kitchens, these little wonders have played a starring role in many cultures. Today, we see cloves in everything from gourmet recipes to natural remedies. They're a bridge between old-world charm and modern health trends. Keep your cloves fresh by storing them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. They're small, but they last long, just like that friend who always has your back. Try making a DIY clove sachet for your drawers or a clove-infused oil for massages. It's an easy, natural way to bring a little extra care into your daily routine. So there you have it. Cloves aren't just a spice, they're a lifestyle booster. From flavor to health, these tiny buds have a lot to. If you enjoyed this clove adventure, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your own clove tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay spiced up.